Right, just another little update. I haven't filled most of them today. I've had all four wheels off, and I've changed the rear shock absorbers to the front and the front to the vice versa. You get the picture. But what a nightmare that was. It's taken us all bloody day to do. I'm just inflating the other tyre on the side. But it's a bit. I went to the garage and I told them that if they could swap the shock absorbers around, they said they would, but they didn't. But never mind, they got it through its MOT, that crept up as well, while it was at the garage. So sort of killed two birds with one stone with that one. But they fixed the brake line as well. But just as a note, to anyone doing the shock absorbers on a P38 Range Rover, the longer the shock absorber, they go to the front. Absolute must. Because I found was, when they fitted the shorter shock absorbers that were in the back seat on the front, it was struggling to go to its top right height setting at the front, and there was a lot of tension being put on the shock absorbers. The airbags were trying to push against them, but there wasn't enough length to compensate for the airbags. So longer ones definitely on the front. I did look on the forums as well. Not many people knew on the forums actually which was which, so it was on the box. I had to finally find just a little tiny bit of print that said that the well, it said front, and basically I took them out of the box and extended them and found out the longer ones. But there's another note to people, just at garages in general. When you're putting the nuts on cars, and with the windy gun, if you don't put them on just so tight, I don't know if there's an adjustment setting on the guns for doing that. But this is the let's have a look. With the breaker bar, chrome vanadium. And it's actually bent the bar. I put that much pressure on trying to get it off. I had to use an extension bar as well off the jack, just to put that on the end of the lever to get more leverage, just to get the nuts off. Bloody hell! For this is only 80 foot-pounds of torque per nut, but my full weight on the nuts. I had my full weight on my nuts, on the nuts, literally pushing down with all my force, and they weren't budging, and I was terrified I was going to fall flat in my face every time I did it. But we got them off. Well, I got them off. Eventually they gave way, but oh, that was such a challenge. That slowed the whole thing down. But anyway, bloody hell, that's incredible. I'm amazed that end it didn't snap actually, because obviously it was at a 45-degree angle when I was breaking the nuts off. But there we go anyway. Hopefully when I drive this back it won't have the death wobble, and I won't be shaking to bits when I'm in drive. So we'll see. But there we go. Ciao for now.